Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the size of the artboard on the Concepts application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Open a project and click to the settings icon on the upper right corner of the screen. Find the artboard size option and tap to the presets button. Here you can find the different options. You can choose popular size, Android size, screen, series, US paper, large format, cards, social media, Monocle Laser, iPhone or iPad, and Surface. And just choose one. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.